Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, and we are back in the building with another super duper watch unboxing, okay? And yo, check this out. Yo, I want to give a shout out to my man Cuttrax, who allowed me to do the unboxing on this Casio, the vintage collection. Yeah, so we're about to get into it. This your boy Pete Ross. Stick around for greatness. Yo, here we go. Check it out. The beautiful Cartier Santos in the building. Yo, let's get into it, family. You know what I'm saying? The Casio vintage collection. You know what I'm saying? I already know what's in here, but do y'all know what's in here is the question. Let's check it out. Get into it. Wow. Casio vintage collection. I like this box, you know. They did that, okay. Now let's go ahead and open him up. Woo-hoo! Look at that joint right there. Did you take a good look at that? That is beautiful. That, my friend, is beautiful. What y'all think? Yo, let's get out the tag and all that stuff so we can read the reference number and all that. You know what I mean? Casio Vintage Gold. Reference number A158 WET G9 AVT 7071. And the price of this, 69 bucks. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So let's take him out. Yo, look at this. You know what, Casio, very special and close to my heart. You understand? Look how beautiful that is. That gold on there. It's ion plating, stainless steel back. Then on the back, of course, you have all the pertinent information with the module number of 593, which represents the Casio movement on the inside. Yo, I'm really feeling this thing, yo. So you know what we're about to do right quick? We're about to try him on the wrist for y'all. Stand by. And here it is on the wrist. Yo, this thing is looking awfully dapper. That gold look great though. I'm really, really feeling this. You know what I mean? These come in different variations too. I think one comes in like a black face. And I think another color, I'm not really for sure. I just really know about the gold face and the black face. You know, this is dopeness at its greatest. Yo, and that concludes the super duper unboxing of this vintage collection. Casio, very, very dope watch. You understand? Shout out to my man Cuttrax once again for letting me do this. I really appreciate it. Now, if y'all have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and drop a sub. It's free. It's free to subscribe. You know what I mean? We on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So let's get it. Make yours count. We up out of here. Peace.